Students, here we have the chapter number 6 market of class 11 commerce and the subject is economics. In the previous video we have already completed what do you mean by market, how are the market runs and what are the characteristics of the market. And we had already seen the basis on which we can classify the market. We had already completed all the types of competition of the market. Now, in this video, we are going to see the oligopoly competition, which is a type of market on the basis of competition. So let's move on to the oligopoly market. First of all, what do you mean by oligopoly market? Before heading to that, let's see what is the oligopoly competition. Oligopoly is a Greek word. Yes, it is originated from the Greek word which is oligos, which means few, and pollen, which are sellers. Just as we have already seen the word monopoly, which was derived from mono and polys, and that was also the Greek word. The same way, the oligopoly is also derived from the Greek word oligos and poly. What does the combined meaning of oligopoly stands for? The combined meaning of oligopoly stands for the place where are only few suppliers and there are lots of buyers. Let us see with a small example. Now, for example, in the city Surat of Gujarat state, the country is India. In our India, there are very few suppliers of mobile data. Yeah, there are only few mobile data suppliers. Now, in this few mobile data suppliers, which are they? They are Jio, they are Vodafone, they are Airtel, they are Idea. Yeah, these are only four mobiles. These are only four major mobile suppliers which are running in the market. Apart from that, you haven't seen any of the mobile suppliers in the major cities. Yeah, in Surat, it's only main four suppliers. Now, in these main four suppliers, the users of the mobile data of the calling are in a huge amount. Yeah, if we consider about India itself, so these are the four suppliers of the data. They are Idea, Vodafone, Airtel, and Jio. Yeah, and the users of these four mobile services are 1.3 billion. 1.3 billion people are using these mobile services. Now, this is the perfect competition of oligopoly competition. This is a perfect example of oligopoly competition which you are observing in day to day life. Now, remember this example as we have remembered a single example for all the competition so that it will be easy for you to remember all the characteristics and to write the answer in the examination. Okay, so let's read out the definition of oligopoly market. Oligopoly is the market in which the firms decided its policy according to the behavior of the competitors. Now, what does this say? For example, today Jio had reduced the price of the mobile data from 330 GB per month to 250 GB per month. Yeah, there was an announcement in which the Jio reduced the mobile data services very sharply. There was a sharp reduction in the rates of mobile data. Now, what happened at that time was the shares of Jio was on the peak, but on the contradictory, the shares of Idea, Vodafone, Airtel were declined very rapidly. So, in this, the rate of one, the decision of one, the policy of one uh, created the impact on all the mobile service data providers. Now, as the Jio is selling 250 per month of unlimited data access, how can Idea, Vodafone, and Airtel are going to sell in 400 rupees per month? It is bound that they are going to lose the customers. the customers are going to port their mobiles. Clear? So this is a example of oligopoly competition in which the policy of one, the decision of one is affected by all the market. Now let us see the characteristics and remember this example so that we can relate with the characteristics in proper manner. Now, as per the characteristics of the oligopoly market, now the first characteristics of the oligopoly market is similar or substitutable products. What is the first characteristic? Similar or substitutable products. Now, let us continue that similar example of mobile data service providers. Yeah, what were they? The data providers are Jio, Airtel, Vodafone, and Idea. Now, the services provided by all are similar. They all are providing the calling services. They all are providing the caller tune services also. They all are providing the ISD calls. They all are providing STD calls. They all are providing the unlimited access to the internet services. And there is no site restricted in all of the above for the data surfing. Now, what are these? These are the products that are similar, and we can substitute one product to the another product. Now, for example, in your area, the Idea network is not working properly. So now you decided to shift to the Jio. Why? Because they are providing almost similar services, and we can substitute the product of Idea with Jio. So if you see this characteristic in any type of market, in any type of firm, understood that this is an oligopoly market. Now let us go to the second one, which is few sellers and numerous buyers. Now, as we have seen, there are only four major mobile data suppliers in our India. Yeah. Now, the mobile data suppliers are only four. There are only few mobile data suppliers, but the persons which are consuming the services, the persons which are using the services of mobile data are in huge amount. They are in billions also. Yes. So this is how the second characteristic fulfill for this example, which is numerous sellers and numerous buyers. Clear? Now, the entry of or exit of the firm, which is the third characteristics. Now, the entry or exit of the firm is not independent. Let me repeat, the entry and exit of the firm is not independent. None of the companies can open in just few days, and none of the company can shut down their services in just few days. Now let us continue with this example of mobile data service providers. Now let us recall the time when we all were using, or our parents were using, the CDMA phone of Reliance. Remember? Now this CDMA phone of Reliance have decided to discontinue the services. The CDMA phone of Anil Ambani decided to not continue with the Reliance, which were providing the CDMA services to all over the India. Now, this CDMA services was not discontinued in just 3 to 4 days. That took at least 6 months period. Why the 6 months period or the duration is important to give for the entry and exit of the firm? Because these are the companies which have invested huge amount in the firms, yes, to open the business, to run the business, to run the industry. Now there are many customers which are using the CDMA services, yes. So there were in lakhs and crores, in which the crores in numbers of people which are using the CDMA services. Now they really can't able to shift their CDMA phones to the GSM phones in just 3 to 4 days. It was really not possible because porting also takes the time of 15 days. If you remember, or if you have done any number portability, it at least takes 15 days. So the 15 days of the mobile data for the number portability to one service to another service, because these numbers were given to many people, so one cannot switch off the number in just 2 to 3 days. And the CDMA phones were used by the people of the lower income section. Yes, the lower income sections were most probably using the phones of CDMA. Now they are not able to just cut down the services and buy a new phone for the GSM because the SIM changed. Clear? So these were the problems for the entry and exit of the firm. So they at least have to give the notice period of 9 to 10 months for the entry of the new firm or the exit of the existing firm. I hope you are clear with these characteristics. If you are not, then stop the video and go back and rewatch this video. Clear? Now, the selling cost. The selling cost of the firm incurs a huge amount of advertisement expenses. Now, how? Now, if you are able to notice that the Airtel was giving the free subscription of Netflix for 2 to 3 months on the recharge of year, or at least for the 6 months also, they were providing the Netflix. Now, what was that for Airtel? That was the selling cost. Clear? That was not the production cost. उसने कुछ प्रोडक्ट प्रोड्यूस करने के लिए कॉस्ट नहीं लिया, but it just charged for the selling cost. The selling cost which occurred or occurs or incurred by the industries or the firms includes the advertisement cost, the selling cost, the cost of marketing. Yeah. Now if you have seen the Vivo or the Airtel have put the banners all over the Surat city. Why? If there was any reduction in the price or there is any new services, because they want us to be aware of their services, of the new schemes. You must be getting call of your service providers that they have introduced this new service of free data, or the data which you have existed in the plans and that can be given free with the Hotstar VIP subscription for the year. Clear? Or else you must have been seen that the Kurkure or the Lays packets nowadays of 10 and 20 rupees are providing you the free data of 1 GB or 2 GB. Yes, or 1 GB or 2 GB of Airtel. Why? Because they have to sell their products. Because the Airtel wants to sell the product. The Airtel wants that the person who are using the Airtel is also satisfied with that free data, and the one who are not the Airtel customers are going to port and they are going to come in the Airtel because they want their services are the best. They want us to show their services are the best. So these are the costs which the company incurs to sell their services, not to produce but to sell their services. Now, the last example for the selling cost which you can relate is the Airtel. The Airtel was doing the advertisement that there will be no complaints from Airtel. Yes, you must be seeing the banners, hoardings, pamphlets in your house or nearby area, and the advertisement on YouTube and the TV channels. What is this? This is the selling cost. The Airtel is not producing anything, but these is the cost which Airtel has incurred to sell their products. Clear? Now the last characteristics of oligopoly market is interdependence. What is exactly the interdependence is? Now as we have cleared with the definition of oligopoly that the firms are interdependent on the policies of each other. Now when the Reliance reduced the prices of GSM and CDM GSM services from 300 to 150 rupees. That was a huge and historical news and the announcement. Due to that, the Idea, Airtel, and all the other service providers were bound. They were bound to reduce the prices. Why? The people are easily going to port. Now you have already experienced that you were having two numbers when the Jio was free for a year. Yes, one was for your calling, and on the one which you were using your WhatsApp. Nowadays people used to ask ना, यही आपका WhatsApp number है ना? क्यों पूछते हैं? Why are they asking this questions? Because they wants to check that the number of the Jio is not used by the people anymore, because there was a huge difficulty at that time when the people used to use two numbers on the same phone. Okay, the calling was done by the Jio number, and the incoming was done by the Idea, Airtel, or Vodafone. You must have saved the numbers of your friends or family members with Jio also. So what was that? That was interdependency. Now due to this historical thing, the the supply of the Jio, the demand of the Jio was increasing. Yes, at that time we all have the SIM of the Jio for the calling. So what the Idea and Airtel did at that time was they reduced the price of their services, of the calling rates, of the data, but still the free was free, so we were bound to go over there. And that was also the interdependency, due to which the prices of one firm affects the price of another firm. Clear? So with this we come to the end of the characteristics of the oligopoly. Let us revise what were the characteristics of the oligopoly market. The first was similar and substitutable products. The second one was seller and the numerous buyers, entry and or the exit of the firm, selling cost and interdependency. Now please make a rectification over here that this is not of, this is or. Clear? Now if you can screenshot this, or else you will get this video. So here we come to the end of this video. Thank you so much, and the end of the chapter. Thank you.